I know you are in trouble nowadays, and probably the reason of English. So I have solution. I have solution of your problem. That will remove your problem and that will make you fluent in English, and that will help you to speak English. This is the same thing. So guys, in this video, I will share that what kind of thing helped me to learn English. What kind of thing helped me become fluent in English. So guys, watch this video entirely. So without wasting any more time, let's come to the main point. Hello everybody. As you know, my name is Khushi and you are watching Khushi Ki Conversation. So guys, basically I followed 3 basic and simple steps that you should definitely use it, because these 3 steps will make you fluent, will help you to learn English. So let's get started. Let's come to the main point. You know, the step number 1, practice, practice, practice. This is the step number 1. You know guys, practice is the thing that helped me to become fluent in English. Yes, this is the thing. You know everybody, practice and practice will also help you to speak English, to become fluent in English. So let's know about it. So guys, I always tried to speak English, but there was no one with whom I could speak. So that's why I would always speak in front of mirror. Yes, in front of mirror, and whenever I felt that I am alone, I started talking to myself in English. And even now, when I feel that I am alone, I start talking to myself in English. And this 2 thing means speak is in front of mirror and talk to yourself. These 2 things helped me to a lot to become fluent in English. And I think this 2 thing means speak is in front of mirror and speak with yourself. This 2 thing is the most important to start your practicing if you have no one to practice. If you have nobody to start your practicing. Understand? So you have to use. And you know, there was no one to speak with me. And these type of thing helped me to become fluent in English. And guys, I don't know that you will believe on me or not. That is, I have only been doing this just 5 months. Just 5 months. And the result is in front of you. You should use this 1 step for at least 1 month. For at least 1 month. And after use this step, you will have idea and you will see a huge difference in just 1 month. And you will have idea that how to start practice. So I think you should use this 1 step for at least 1 month. For at least 1 month. And guys, one more thing, that if you have not watched this video yet, then go and watch it, because I have mentioned 2 more steps which I adopted to learn English, to speak English. So the link is in description and also in the comment box. You can watch this video to click on that link. And guys, one more thing, that if you liked this video, you can click on the like button, and hope that this video will useful for you. And guys, one more thing that I have to share with you, that guys, nowadays I am engaged in some important work, so please excuse me, because it is not possible to make video regularly. So I will try, but I will try to make one video in one week. So friends, I'll be see you soon in the next video, and the next topic is most important. The next topic is most important, and I know about it. So I will make video on that topic. So wait for that. And guys, till then, be safe and be happy.